Hi, my name is Stephanie Barfield and I work in the accounting department here at Noble Public Adjusting Group. I wanted to review over some of our frequently most questions that's asked of the accounting department. The top one is, this check that I received is not near enough. Why isn't it what I need? There's a misconception that the insurance company is just going to write one total check for everything that's due, and we wish that's the way it was. But unfortunately, during negotiations, if an adjuster can get them to release funds, we have them send those funds. You may get a few smaller checks, and then at the end, you'll get one final check that is an agreed upon amount that closes the claim. The second biggest question that we get is, well, if I take this check, will it close my claim? Cashing an undisputed check does not officially close your claim. To close your claim, you have to sign a release releasing the carrier of any further liability for your claim. Sometimes they will try to sneak a little wording on a check that says, by cashing this check, you agree to this amount. And that's something here at Noble that we look at every check for. We're looking at that check to make sure they haven't snuck something in like that. The next question has to deal with mortgage. Why is a mortgage listed on my insurance check? If you have a mortgage on your home, they have a vested financial interest in the home. They need to make sure that the home is repaired to pre-loss conditions. And so mortgages have their own processing of how they do with the insurance check. We ask that you call your mortgage and let them know that you've had a claim, you're getting an insurance check, and what their policy is and how they process the checks. Most of the time, if it's under a certain amount, the mortgage will endorse the check and send it right back to you. If it's over a certain amount, they will deposit it into your escrow account and disperse the funds as repairs are made. But your mortgage will be the best source to get their policy and how they do things. The biggest issue with mortgages on checks we have found has been they want an adjuster's report to go with each check that's released. And in the beginning, when the carrier is releasing funds, undisputed funds for certain amounts, they will have those adjuster's report. But when you get to the end of your claim and you have signed a final release settlement, those funds are derived from negotiations and you're making a settlement on that amount. There's no adjuster's report that's going to equal the final amount that you get. So mortgages in replace of the adjuster's report, most of them take a contractor's estimate or bid. There again, just check with your mortgage to see what their policy is and what they accept and what they need. How do I get my check? Well, when the insurance carrier sends your check to Noble, we get it here at headquarters, we process it, and we send out an email with our check exchange processes. And then we'll call you to verify that you received that email and if you have any questions. So another question we get is, why can't you come by my home to endorse the check? Just like your mortgage, you have to send the check to their processing center. You'll have to send the check to our headquarters so we can process it here and make sure everything is done completely and accurately. If you live in the Panama City area and would love to come by, we would love to see you here at headquarters. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us. There's a couple of us here in the accounting department and we would love to talk to you.